Today we're gonna make a Mexican dessert called tres leches cake, but with a fun twist. Since Holi is just around the corner, I thought why not give it a Holi twist. I made Thandai tres leches cake. Holi celebrations are so incomplete without having some Thandai. Don't you guys agree? So let's start with this recipe. To begin with, in a bowl add half a cup of yogurt or curd at room temperature. To that add half a cup of sugar. Here I've used powdered sugar, but you can also use granulated sugar. Once the sugar is completely melted, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda and combine the mixture again. Doing this really helps the cake to become very fluffy and airy, especially when you are making an eggless cake. You will notice that the mixture becomes very bubbly and airy. To this, I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of Mawa essence, but you can also use vanilla essence if you have that. Stir that in, and once it is combined, then it's time to add the flour. Here I've taken 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour and sifted it into the mixture. This is done to make sure there are no lumps that are left in the batter. Hi, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to our channel. We post new and innovative videos every week. To this, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of oil. We can use any kind of flavorless vegetable oil. Avoid using butter for this recipe because the cake will become hard and it'll be very difficult for the cake to soak the liquids that we'll be using later. Mix the batter using the cut and fold method till everything is well combined and the batter is smooth. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk to adjust the consistency of the batter so you get a nice ribbon-like consistency. Tres leches is a popular Mexican dessert. Tres leches literally means 3 milks. We'll be adding 3 kinds of milk to the recipe, which I'll be explaining to you later on in the recipe. Transfer the batter to a greased and lined 7 by 7 inch cake pan and bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure to spread the batter evenly with the spatula so that the cake bakes evenly. While the cake is still baking, let's prepare the Thandai milk for soaking the cake. In a saucepan, add about 1.5 cups of milk. You can use evaporated or cream milk, both will work fine. Add half a cup of cream and 3/4 cup of condensed milk. So these are the 3 milks I was talking about. To this, we will add 1 tablespoon of Thandai powder. This is a homemade Thandai powder. The recipe for this will be listed in the description box below. Heat the mixture and let it come to a boil. After it boils, let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. The saffron in the Thandai powder gives a nice golden yellow color to the Thandai mixture. Once the mixture is ready, take it off the stove and transfer it to a bowl so that it is easy to pour onto the cake. Make sure the mixture cools completely before you pour it on the cake. So the cake is now baked and completely cooled in the pan itself. Now with the help of a fork, we'll poke some holes into the cake so that the Thandai milk is completely absorbed into the cake. Now add half of the Thandai milk prepared by you onto the cake. All this beautiful golden cake is going to be absorbed by the cake, so be generous. If you prefer, you can also strain the Thandai milk to get rid of all the particles that are present in the Thandai powder. Refrigerate the cake for an hour. Once it is refrigerated, cut the cake into 4 pieces. Also make sure you loosen the cake from the sides. It's time to serve the cake. Take out a piece of the tres leches cake and transfer it to a plate. I'm going to garnish the cake with some whipping cream. I've taken a plain vanilla whipping cream here and I'm going to do a design of my choice at the top. You can choose any design you like, but I just wanted something very simple to go with the cake. You can also top this off with dry fruits of your choice. Here I've used some pistachios, also some dried rose petals and some kesar or saffron. And yes, don't forget to add some additional Thandai milk with the cake when serving. It adds a really rich and milky flavor to the cake. Do not forget to like and share this video with your friends and family so they can also make this delicious recipe this Holi. This cake looks absolutely gorgeous and also it tastes divine too. The texture of the cake has become very luscious and creamy because of all the liquids that it has absorbed in. Do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comments how it turned out. See you again next time. Bye bye.